Okay guys, today we're talking about adding and subtracting monomials. Now we all saw what a monomial was before. Now we're going to talk about though how we add them. So let's say I have two sloths, two cute little sloths. I like sloths. And then I go and decide to go and buy a couple more. So I'm adding 3 more sloths because they're pretty cute. How many sloths do I have in total? Well, if I have 2 sloths, so 1, 2, I have 2 sloths, and I'm adding 3 sloths, I end up with, you got it, I end up with 5 sloths. And they're so cute. So we have 5 sloths. Now all this is to show you guys that we were able to add these together because they were similar. They were all sloths. That's all that adding and subtracting monomials is. Okay? So if we were to go in, instead of having sloths, if we were to replace these sloths with a variable, let's say x. So I have 2x plus 3x. So that means I have 2 x's, x plus x, and I'm adding 3 more x's, x plus x plus x. I end up with, in total, 5x. That's all combining monomials is, adding and subtracting similar monomials. Now the thing that I want you guys to remember is when we're adding and subtracting monomials, they have to have the same variable. So one rule is, when we're adding, they need the same variable. It's very important. And the other rule is they need the same exponent. These are the main rules for adding and subtracting monomials. So if we were to go and look at this, and I had 6x plus 3x to the power of 2 plus 4x, I'd have to group my like terms to be able to add them. Now following that rule, they need to have the same variable. Well, 6x and 4x have the same variable. So I can add 6x and 4x. But they also need the same exponent. They have 1x, so the exponent that's there is 1, even though we never write it. There's an invisible 1 because there is 1x. But we also have 3x to the power of 2. It has the same variable, so in theory we could add it, but it also needs the same exponent, which it does not have. So I can only add 6x plus 4x, which would give me 10x, plus 3x to the power of 2. That is as much as I can do. That is as far as I can go when I'm adding and subtracting monomials. That's it. So I hope this was helpful. This is our first video on adding and subtracting monomials. And that's it. I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you in class. Take care.